good morning from Chiang Mai, Thailand. The time now is going to be 7 a.m. You can see those are the Chiang Mai hills behind me, and that's Chiang Mai in the background. Anyway, today is day one. This is the 24th of May. It's Saturday, and today is day one where I start my journey back home, and hopefully I will attempt to set another Malaysia record for the longest distance ridden on an EV motorcycle in 7 days. I'm very confident that I'll make it. Well, this is it. I just left the hotel and we're on our way back to KL. This is day one. I hope to ride 300 kilometers at least and maybe reach Tak or after Tak, hopefully. The GPS has shown me what it thinks is the best way, but I have a feeling that it's going to be the way that's filled with lorries and other cars. Well, doesn't matter, that's a challenge. Then I'm going to take it one day at a time, 1 kilometer at a time. Yeah, I think that's a good plan. We are not out of Chiang Mai yet, and it's not even 8 o'clock. It's almost 7:30, and look at the amount of traffic in this city. It's Saturday morning. Where are all these people going? Oh boy, dark clouds are up ahead. Well, hopefully it disperses itself. Anyway, how do you like my new Lion? This was given by Digitanet. So I've strapped it to my mirror and to keep me company going back to KL. Woo! See the dark clouds over there? But I noticed that no other Thai motorcyclist is put on their raincoat. Look, they don't have their raincoats on. So I think I should just not worry about it. It's started to drizzle. You can see skies are quite dark, but I don't know how long it will last. But I tell you what, I've finished putting on my rain gear and I'm already sweating underneath it. Okay, little lion, you ready for your first ride in the rain? Off we go. I know you can't see anything because the camera is underneath the raincoat, but just to tell you, it's really pelting down now. Woo! The camera is still underneath the raincoat because it's still raining, but just wanted you guys to know that I've started my ascent up that big hill just outside Chiang Mai. And I'm still going up. The rain seems to have stopped at this section. I think I cleared the big hill, but I'm still getting some small hills which I have to go over. But it's okay, I think. I still have 57% of battery left, so I'm not very overly concerned lah. There's another hill. The road back to Bangkok outside Chiang Mai is just filled with hills, I guess. I can actually go up the hill at 63, 64 kilometers per hour on the CPX Pro. The torque on this machine is pretty amazing. You know what? I think this is the big hill, lah. I'm just descending this big hill. I think this is the big hill, lah. Not the one I said when you guys were in the raincoat. Well, when the camera was in the raincoat. Hey, we are still descending. It started to drizzle again. I just unzipped my raincoat. Now I'm having trouble zipping it up again, so I'm just gonna hide behind my windshield here. Can you guys see? Let me wipe it a bit for you. On the left is an elephant school. Oh, it's a conservation center. You guys are back in the raincoat because it started to rain again. And it's quite heavy now. But strangely, I'm still descending the hill. The petrol stations are all on the right hand side. See? Shell and there's PTT on that side. And they also have a 5-star chicken. Alright. I just charged my batteries. So now we are headed to pick up my shirt which I left at one of the hotel resorts. Right? Oh boy, this is the thought. There's no need for the raincoat. Look at the sky. I don't know. Up ahead looks like white clouds, not dark ones. So maybe I can ride past these clouds. Fingers crossed. There are people selling things by the roadside, and each one of them has a styrofoam box. But I don't know what they're selling. Don't know if you can see the mist on the hills up ahead. Wow, look at those hills. Rats! It's actually started to drizzle, and I haven't seen anywhere I can stop to put on my rain gear. Oh wait, hang on, there's a rest stop coming up. The rest stop is on the right hand side, over there. I stopped to put on my raincoat, and as usual, 5 minutes later, the rain has stopped. Ish. Yeah, it started to drizzle again, but I think it's going to stop in 5 minutes. So I'm just going to hide behind the windshield again. Hey, that's Fred Flintstone! Yeah, it's still drizzling, but it doesn't look like it's getting any heavier. So I'm just going to hide behind the windshield. Hey, that looks like a Hindu temple. And just as I predicted, about 5 minutes later, the rain is almost stopped. Oops, it started to rain again. So I'm going to do the same trick. Just hide behind the windshield. Whoa, it's getting heavier. 5 minutes later, the rain is now a drizzle. And there's a white temple on the left. Is it a white temple or is that a... Yeah, it looks like a temple. I'm about 20 kilometers from my first stop. But man, look at the dark clouds ahead. Oh boy. Another roadworks. I've been coming across quite a lot of roadworks on this stretch of road. Wait, this is not a road work, this is a police checkpoint. Oh boy, the clouds are really getting darker and darker. Oh, it started to drizzle. So, hiding behind the windshield again. Oh, hang on. Yeah, after that short episode of heavy downpour, now there's no rain, but it rained earlier, I can tell, because the roads are wet. Hang on. There. How's that? Do you see the roads are wet? Oh wait, hang on. Started to drizzle again. Ooh. Yeah, I just hide behind the windshield. I've got another 10 km or so to go. Battery is now down to, whoa, 8%. Holy moly. I've got to do what I've got to do, I guess. Ah, it started to rain again. I'm gonna hide behind the windshield again. Battery is now down to 6% and I haven't reached my destination yet. It's next to a petrol station, so I'm looking out for that petrol station. I'm hoping anytime now I'm going to see it, but I don't. Oh boy. Oh, rain is getting heavier. Oh man, down to 4% now. And that petrol station is nowhere in sight. And rain is just preventing me from swapping batteries. Oh boy. Oh boy. Come on. Appear after this corner, man. Come on. Do I see a petrol station? No, I don't see one. Oh no. Is this the petrol station I'm looking for? Nope. It's not a petrol station. I'm down to 2%, man. Come on. Down to my last percent. 1% left. And still no petrol station in sight. Oh boy. Oh boy. Yeesh. Come on. After this, no. After this little hill. Come on, man. Can I go a bit slower? Maybe that'll help save some juice. Maybe I drop down to 40. Drop down to 40. Come on, man, 40. 48. No, 40. 51. Come on. 1% is actually blinking at me. I see a sign for it. There, this one. I think I'm looking for this one. But the place I'm going to is actually after the petrol station. Oh, I'm at 0%. I'm at 0%. Oh boy. I think I better get into the petrol station and change batteries lah. I don't think I can make it. I'm at... The support rider is telling me, hey, we're almost there. But I've got 0%, man. I'm at 0%, man. Support rider says, why don't we give it a try? 0%. Does he understand what 0%? He said go slow. Okay, I'm going to go slow. I'm going to go at 20 kilometers per hour. 22 kilometers per hour. Oops. 24 already. Let's not do that. Almost there. Is it this one? No, it's not this one. Next one, I think. Next turning. Almost there. Yes, it's this one. I can got you on 0%. Oh man. Doggo! Hello! Oh. Oh. Saudi Cup. It's okay. Yeah. Now we go back to Kuala Lumpur. I just finished charging at Tony's Hotel and Resort. So kind of him to let me charge there. Took me 2 hours just to get up to, well, now it's 69%. So I have a feeling that I can only get maybe another 100 and 110 kilometers before I really have to stop for the day, because it's already 4 p.m. and I don't want to ride when the sun sets. Well, anyway, on to the next destination. Alright, what's going on? Is that lorry broken down together with the bus? I was sweating under the raincoat, so I've unzipped it. It's so much cooler now. I guess when it starts raining, I'll just have to stop and zip it up. I've already ridden 20 kilometers. I can still see the dark clouds in front of me, but it's still sunny here. You guys can see this because you guys are in the raincoat. But it's finally raining. We just passed through a section of rain on the highway. And in front looks like clear skies. Hopefully it stays that way until I get to my destination for the day. Looks like blue skies. Oops, I think I spoke too soon. Those look like dark clouds. Look at that, pagoda. Oh, stupa, sorry. What is that, a giant hat? Oh, there's a pagoda up there. I think I have enough battery power to get me to my hotel resort for tonight. So I'm going to burn it. Feel the power of the CPX Pro, man. Woo!